Hi, this is RockinRobin. Welcome. You are on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps you make more money. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to tell you my new strategy on eBay because I haven't been happy and I said I was going to do something new, so I am. So you stay with us. We're going to talk about that. Now, if this is your first time here, we have been doing eBay for over 20 years. That has seemed like my goal in life has been trying to get that eBay going. Well, we've been doing it. Mercari, we sell on Mercari, we sell on Poshmark, we sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. We're going to talk today about a new strategy, and it involves all of that. You stay with us. We'll be right back. So I said last week, I am going to do something different. And I got one response from somebody who said, no, don't leave. We want to see you. We enjoy watching your videos. Well, you know what? I'm not leaving. I'm not going to not have videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slow down on eBay. Right now, I have an eBay store, and it's costing me $59.99 a month. While the pandemic was going on, it was worth it. I was selling a lot. I could list up to 1,000 items. I was listing, selling. It was great. But now that the pandemic's over, things have slowed, and I'm finding I have a lot of listings and they're not budging. So what I am going to do is I am going to take away the store. I still have 3 accounts for eBay. One which is my account, which I sell a lot of Disney, and one is my partner in crime's account, and then one is the work account, which is the main account. Well, that's the one that has the store. And so I'm gonna just have 3 accounts, and they can have like 200 each in them, I think, and that's it. And I'm not going to have the store. What I found is the store cost me more money, and it doesn't seem like I'm selling that much. It's not a big help. I'm going to take the other items and I'm putting them on Mercari and Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to do more of those formats. I think Mercari and Facebook Marketplace are the places to be right now. I think we're going to get more sales by doing more on those 2 than I will on eBay. eBay claims to be #1. I don't know if they really are. Amazon is really #1, but I don't want to get involved in Amazon. I like the way I do things. So I'm going to go on those. I'm going to talk to you still about eBay, but I'm going to talk to you more about Facebook Marketplace and Mercari, and I'm going to actually ship in Facebook Marketplace eventually. A lot of people do. I haven't, but I'm going to. It can't be that hard, right? I'm going to tell you things about those. My goal is to help you make more money as well as help me make more money. And if I try a whole bunch of different things, then I could say to you, I tried this worked, this doesn't work. Now, I may find this doesn't work and I really want to go back to my store. Well, then I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to say, hey, you know what? Get a store. It's worth having the store. Don't sell out of the store because you're going to wish you did. Well, I will let you know. Right now, I don't feel that way. Right now, I feel like, boy, I'm wasting a lot of money giving eBay money in a store for a whole bunch of stuff that's not selling. When I don't sell stuff, I put them in a box, I take them to the flea market. I did the flea market yesterday. It was awful. Ugh. For me, it was awful. Nobody seemed to want the stuff I had. So I felt like, why on earth am I selling on eBay and then selling at the flea market? The stuff they don't want eBay, they don't want the flea market. I'm going to take a lot of stuff off, and I'm going to tell you as I go along where I am in the process. It might take me 2 months before I finish this and stop the store, but I'm going to. I also feel like eBay is double billing me because they try to take money out of my PayPal account and I don't have money in my PayPal account. So then they go and take it out of my bank account, and my records show that I've been double billed. Now, I'm not in charge of records, but the person who is in charge, they're going to call eBay and see if that's the case, or they're just not understanding it properly. But I don't like the thought that maybe I've been paying shipping twice. I mean, I don't know if eBay knows what they're doing or if I just don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to find out. But all these issues and problems right now with eBay have caused me to take a pause and to say, let's do something different. So Mercari is going to like my business in Facebook Marketplace. How do you feel about that? Do you feel like the same thing is happening to you? Do you feel like you would be better off not being on eBay or trying something new? Do you feel sales are stagnant, that they were better during the pandemic, but now they're so slow, it's not worth doing anymore? That's the way I feel. I don't like feeling like, wow, I got 2 to pack today, and I had 0 yesterday, and tomorrow I might only get 1. I liked when I had consistent, steady sales, and I feel like we need to spread out. I'm still going to cross-post, I'm still going to do a lot of stuff, and I'm still going to have stuff on eBay eBay, and I'm still going to show you what I sold on eBay and what I'm putting up on eBay. But I'm going to put a lot more on Mercari. I'm going to have Mercari be my main thing, because you can put up as many as you want in Mercari without paying a cost. I don't have to spend that $60 to get a store like I do on eBay. So let's see what happens. And I'm very excited about it. I don't know if you like to have change and to do things new, but I'm always looking for something new. So I get very, very excited. Hey, if you like the things that we talk to you about, we talk to you about all those formats, please remember to subscribe. We appreciate that. And if you give us a big thumbs up, it's a like, you hit the little like button. That's good as well. And lastly, if you want to be sure that you don't miss any of our videos, hit the bell. The bell just tells you that we have a new video that comes out. Doesn't force you to watch it, but at least you know that it's out and what it's about. So those are the things that I wanted to talk to you about today. No, I'm not leaving. Don't get worried. I'm still going to be here. I'm still going to come at least twice a week and tell you what's selling and show you the Disney store and show you my tag sales and thrifting and what I'm listing and what I'm selling. All that good stuff that's going to help you make more money. I'm going to give you tips constantly. But I'm going to talk a little bit more about Facebook Marketplace, a little bit more about Mercari, not quite as much about eBay. But I can still answer questions, anything that you want to know. So right now, I appreciate you, and I hope you appreciate my honest, because I want to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie and say, oh, I'm making thousands and thousands this week on eBay. No, it's slow. I'm not one of those resellers who are going to exaggerate everything I do. I'm going to tell you the truth, whether you like it or not. And I've been doing it a long time. So, hey, that's all I can do. What I want you to do right now is I want you to find something good. And I don't want you to put it up on eBay. I want you to put it up on Mercari or Poshmark or Facebook Marketplace. Put it up on one of those, and then you go make yourself some money. See you soon.